The city you see today were once a forest, rejected and unrecognized community, but today there are estates with golden scenes in it. That's why we bring to you Solid City Bungalow Phase 3, Elerengbe Igbeju Lekki. This estate gives you the proximity to Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Lagos Free Trade Zone. Behind this estate is the proposed Lekki International Airport. Standing in front of this estate, you are already watching Lekki Epe Expressway, meaning this estate is not interior. With initial deposit of 1 million naira, you can pin down this property. The title is Government Allocation C of O. There is 300 square meter which go for 14.5 million naira and 500 square meter which go for 30 million naira. There are more discount when you buy in Accra and in Hector. For more information, send me your message now. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Also share to your friends and loved ones. Thank you.